Today's simple act of raising these flags is a reminder that no one stands alone. Community partnerships are really the foundation of the work that we do here at the Baltimore Station. We simply could not do what we do without community partners like BGE.
The flags before were just tattered and weathered. It's a small price to pay to come out here and do something like that. And they deserve it unbelievably. Proud to work for this company, almost 35 years, and they like to get their hands in different events like this, and that's great, especially something like this. It hits home.
When I served, I heard something, always wear your colors. And I wear my hat everywhere I go, not just for me, but also for other veterans. It was real important for those flags to be changed because they represent not only the living veterans who are still here, but the ones who are passed away and the one who died giving their lives for this country. So that's what this ceremony was really, really important.
It was sad to see the shape that they were in this now. It is a night and day difference. I'm glad we got to do it. And I'm glad BG&E was part of it. That's pretty awesome, I think.